Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by hunting the largest space hogs. Open Gmail and run a search like has, attachment larger, 10M to surface big threads fast. Once you see large messages, delete entire conversations rather than single messages so attachments go too. After deleting, go to trash and permanently empty it, otherwise storage won't drop. Make sure to check your Google account storage overview to confirm which product is consuming space, so the next steps target the right area. Next, dig into Drive and Photos because Gmail shares that quota. In Drive, sort files by size and remove redundant large files, delete versions and empty Drive trash. For important attachments, export them to your computer or a secondary cloud, then delete the mail attachments so you keep data but free Google storage. If you need records, archive old email threads by exporting an mbox or using Takeout, once backed up. Bulk delete those emails to reclaim substantial space. Finish by confirming the storage meter fell. It can take a few minutes to sync across services, so wait then refresh the Google storage page. If you still need space long-term, consider upgrading to Google One. A paid plan often makes sense versus constant pruning. If storage didn't update, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or check from another device. If problems persist, contact support and mention deleted items and trash emptying so they can investigate account-side delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.